Hello, my name is Michael Brown with Affirma Consulting, and I'm going to go over Lync today with you. So Microsoft Lync ships with Office 365 for their Lync Online version, and Lync Online gets you up and running very quickly with a peer-to-peer online meeting sharing platform around communication in your enterprise. So what you'll notice over here on the left-hand side, I have Microsoft Lync. I can see people in my organization. Down here I can see that Vince is actually currently available, and not only can I see that he's available, but I can see that he's also free until 5 p.m. today on his calendar. One great thing about Lync is if you're in a meeting, it will show Vince automatically turn red because it's synced with his calendar, so it knows that he actually is in a meeting and will tell me he's not available. So there's a lot of intelligence around the integration with the productivity suite. Another thing that's great is you get these activity feeds, so you can see anyone who's adding status and activities to themselves are also going to show up in a list like this. Furthermore, you can get your history of your conversations, but that history of conversations is also recorded in Outlook. So if I was to click through, I can get my history of all my conversations I've had in my Outlook ready to go. So that's a fantastic thing. Another thing about Lync that I really like is that it's integrated so well with the Office stack. So if I come in and I search for an email from Vince, and I click on Vince, I can see that the presence detection is already available, so I can see that Vince is available. And from this email, where we just signed some paperwork, I can actually call Vince and kick up a conversation specifically around this email. So when I call him, it's going to ring, and Vince is going to pick up, and Vince and I are going to be able to kick up a conversation. Now, one of the things you'll notice immediately that up in this left-hand side it says signed paperwork. So the title of the email that I contacted Vince about is already in context. Vince knows that and gives him some context about why I'm calling him. Now, if I want to start my video too so I can see how I look, I can also start my own video, and a little caption of my video will show up as well. Now, one of the great things about this too is I can start to share, whether I do a poll or a whiteboard where I want to sketch some stuff out or import images, or I want to share a PowerPoint presentation. I can start to collaborate around documents with Vince. Let me go ahead and upload a document here that we're going to share. One of the things that you'll notice right away is on this left-hand panel that Vince and I can still IM with each other. Message to Vince here. I can send that message to Vince. There we go. And this PowerPoint presentation is almost uploaded. Now this is a big PowerPoint presentation because it's our Affirma Consulting BI portfolio. There's a lot of imagery about projects that we've done, background that we've done. So it's a beefy document. So take just a second to load. As soon as that's ready, Vince and I will be able to start to collaborate around this. So I'm seeing our portfolio. Vince is seeing our portfolio. We can start to talk about this and kind of move through this document together and share with each other. I can also laser point at things, and Vince can see where that laser point is. I can highlight information and a lot of other things that allow this collaboration to be really rich. So anyways, thanks for your help, Vince. Appreciate it. We'll see you later. So let's go ahead and end this call. Close this out. Now another thing that's great about the integration with Lync and Outlook here is that for meetings, if I want to have online meetings with people, there's now just a one-click button that sets up the online meeting for me, and if your numbers are configured, it'll set up the dial-in information and everything. So now those links to join the meeting are one-click integrated with Outlook. I can add people, subject, and then send this meeting off, and I have an online meeting ready to go. So anyways, this is just a quick look at Lync and how it helps with collaboration in your enterprise. It's a relatively cheap and affordable way to tack on some good collaboration features when you're looking at the Office 365 stack. It's a great value add, and it really helps with collaboration and productivity. And one of the best parts about it is it's just natively integrated into your existing productivity stack. So hopefully this is helpful. A quick look at Lync and how it can integrate into your business, and look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.